Hi, Jesse Fast here. We're going to see how many cappuccinos I can make in 1 hour. I'll run through the details about this setup, and at the end of the video, I'll pull all the data together and give you the results. This cart here has our hub system, the sink and hot water option, and a fridge for milk storage. I'm starting with an empty 6.6 gallon wastewater tank and a full 5 gallon freshwater tank. I do have an additional freshwater tank ready just in case I need it. I'm using the Sanremo YOU espresso machine with the latest firmware update. Pro tip: we changed the configuration to prioritize the steam boiler, which seriously amps up the steam capacity. I have a volumetric preset ready to go, and I'll be using the steam purge function as well as the group head purge function. The grinder is a Malkonig E65 model. We'll be dosing 18 grams of coffee and pulling the shots with the Weber Workshops unifilter. Milk steaming will be done with a 15-ounce WPM steaming pitcher, and I'll be weighing the oat milk for each 6-ounce cappuccino. The cappuccino will be poured into an 8-ounce to-go cup. We're powering the entire cart with a 3,000 watt-hour Segway power cube. Now, this wouldn't be enough capacity for really large events, but it will give us some data to look at. Well, let's go. All right, so we have some results here. 36 cappuccinos in an hour, and it felt like the machine did very well. Steam pressure was always there, no issues there with the steam pressure. So I felt like it could have been pushed a little bit harder. I was doing this by myself, so with another person, I think you could increase those drinks per hour. We used 2.5 gallons of fresh water, and we have 2 gallons of wastewater in the waste tank. Used about 1.5 pounds of coffee, about 5.5 cartons of the 32 fluid ounce oat milk. And here's what really surprised me and amazed me. We used just over 1 watt hour of electricity. So we only used about 1/3 of the capacity, total capacity of the power cube. So good news there, much larger event, and you would have plenty of power. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.